The most insane AI news this week: the AI world just exploded. Today I'm showing you the craziest AI updates that just dropped. OpenAI's new image tool is breaking the internet. Google's Gemini 2.5 is crushing every benchmark. And DeepSeek just released a monster model that's completely free. We're talking Studio Ghibli images, million token context windows, and AI that builds entire games with one prompt. This stuff wasn't possible even last month. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. So let's jump right into the biggest AI news that's shaking up everything right now. First up, OpenAI just dropped a bomb with their new image generation in ChatGPT. This isn't just another update, it's completely changing how we think about creating images. If you've been on social media all this week, you've probably seen your feeds flooded with Studio Ghibli-style images of everything from memes to profile pics. The reason everyone's going crazy is how easy it is. You just upload any image, tell it, make this Studio Ghibli style, and boom, you get this beautiful animated look that would have taken a professional artist hours to create. But that's just scratching the surface. What makes this truly game-changing is that it's not just about style transfer. This is a full AI system that understands images deeply. You can tell it to edit specific parts of an image, add objects, change backgrounds, adjust lighting, all with simple text prompts. For example, I took a YouTube thumbnail of me and transformed it into a Ghibli masterpiece. By the way, that video got 25% click-through rate. You can easily edit, change, tweak, and create beautiful images. Normally, I pay $60 per YouTube. Now I can generate them instantly, and they're some of the best I've seen. For those of us creating content, this is huge. You can take any boring image and make it pop. Need a quick YouTube thumbnail, upload an image, add some text, change the style, and you're done in seconds. No Photoshop skills required. It's like having a professional graphic designer at your fingertips 24/7. Right now, this feature is available on the ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month, and Pro, $200 a month plans. It was supposed to come to the free version too, but OpenAI had to delay that because the servers got absolutely swamped with all the Studio Ghibli memes people were making. This is like having an AI equipped with a graphic designer's mind. It's not just a filter, it's a creative partner that understands composition, aesthetics, and design principles. But wait, there's more. And this is probably the biggest AI news that actually got overshadowed by OpenAI's flashy image tool. Google just released Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it's absolutely crushing every other AI model in existence. We're talking about a model that's beating Claude, GPT-4, and every other top AI in almost all benchmarks. And here's the crazy part. It's completely free to use. That's right, while people are paying hundreds of dollars for access to other top models, Google is giving away what might be the most powerful AI in the world right now. You can access it at aistudio.google.com, and the results are insane. What makes Gemini 2.5 so special? First, it has a million token context window. That means it can read and understand about 750,000 words at once, basically several books worth of information. And despite handling that much data, it's incredibly fast. Where Gemini 2.5 really shines is in coding. I've built 3D racing simulators, interactive physics demos, and dinosaur-themed running games, all created with one prompt in seconds. It's actually outperforming models like GPT-4 in these tasks, producing cleaner, more functional code. One developer created a Rubik's Cube simulation where all the colors stay perfectly tracked as you rotate the cube, something other AI models couldn't manage. This level of precision and understanding is wild. You can even use Gemini 2.5 Pro for vibe coding in tools like Windsurf or Cursor. If you're not familiar with vibe coding, it's this new approach where you basically have a conversation with the AI about what you want to build, and it generates the code for you. It's incredible for both beginners and experienced developers. And let's not forget the cost. Gemini 2.5 Pro is free in AI Studio. Meanwhile, something like GPT-01 Pro costs about $600 per $1 million tokens, making it completely unfeasible for most developers to use in their applications. And then there's DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company that just released their V3 model, also called DeepSeek V3. This non-reasoning model is performing at the level of GPT 4.5 and Claude 3.7 on benchmarks, but here's the kicker. They've released it under MIT license, which means it's completely open source. You can download and run this model locally, with no API costs, no usage limits. It's a game changer for developers who want to build AI applications without breaking the bank. The technical achievements here are mind-blowing too. According to tests, DeepSeek V3 can run at 20 tokens per second on an M3 Ultra Mac. That's making high-end AI more accessible than ever. In practical tests, DeepSeek V3 is showing incredible capabilities. People are building entire SaaS tools, games, and applications with it. I built an SEO keyword research tool with a beautiful interface in minutes. DeepSeek V3 is available on the DeepSeek website, but you can also access it through LM Arena or OpenRouter, which I've found works even better. You can also use it with Visual Studio Code through extensions like Cleant, which gives you easy access to the API. That's not all. We've also got major updates from Microsoft. They introduced their new Researcher and Analyst in Microsoft 365 Copilot, which uses OpenAI's O3 mini reasoning model, optimized for advanced data analysis. It can process complex datasets, visualize information, and create reports, all with the chain of thought reasoning that makes it think through each step. They also announced deep reasoning and agent flows inside Microsoft Copilot Studio, which lets you create custom agents for your specific business needs. This means you can build mini agents that run on your own business data, which is huge for enterprise applications. And there's been a flood of other releases this week that got less attention due to the big announcements from OpenAI and Google. In a surprising move, OpenAI is now adopting Model Context Protocols, MCPs, a standard introduced by Anthropic for connecting large language models to tools on the internet. This creates a standardized layer between the AI and software APIs, making it easier for models to use external tools. Google added new features to Google Meet, including the ability to capture follow-up action items from meetings and suggested next steps. They also added a feature to Maps that can save locations you screenshot to help with travel planning. Anthropic is reportedly working on giving Claude 3.7 Sonnet a 500,000 token context window, which will be a big upgrade for those who use Claude for vibe coding. Perplexity is bringing a new feature where you can specifically search for images, video, travel, shopping, and more, bringing it closer to what you'd expect from a modern search engine. For video generation, Luma AI showed off their new Magic Doodles feature that lets you animate hand-drawn images. Pika Labs rolled out a flashback feature where you can upload a video and a photo, and the photo version will enter the frame. There were even real-world AI applications announced, like Earth AI using algorithms to find critical minerals in places everyone else ignored, and updates on self-driving vehicles from Waymo expanding to Washington, D.C. next year. And if you want to see how far robotics has come, there's some wild footage from Boston Dynamics showing their robots running, crawling, and doing barrel rolls in ways that look shockingly human. It's absolutely mind-blowing how much progress we're seeing in just 1 week. The pace of innovation in AI is accelerating beyond what anyone predicted, and these tools are becoming more accessible to everyone. What's especially exciting is how these tools are becoming more practical for everyday use. You don't need to be a prompt engineer or have technical skills anymore. You can just ask for what you want in plain language and get amazing results. For content creators, marketers, designers, developers, really anyone who creates anything, these tools are complete game changers. Tasks that used to take hours or required specialized skills can now be done in seconds with a simple prompt. Let me show you a specific example of how powerful these tools are. Using the new browser AI agent in a tool called Roo Code inside Visual Studio Code, I can automate literally any web task. This tool lets AI agents browse the web for you, search for information, and even interact with websites. Imagine telling your AI, go to Twitter and post a tweet, or do a competitor analysis of this website, and it just goes off and does it. It can scrape data, fill out forms, create content, and build reports, all autonomously. What makes this even more powerful is that it doesn't require any coding knowledge to set up. You just install it as an extension, connect it to an API like Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and you're ready to go. One particularly impressive example is keyword research. I can tell the AI to use RFs to find low competition keywords for a dentist, and it will open Ahrefs, search for relevant keywords, filter for low difficulty ones, and create a comprehensive report, all for about 20 cents worth of API tokens. If I hired an SEO agency to do this, they'd charge me $250 to $500. And we're just getting started. These models will continue to improve, becoming more capable, more integrated into our workflows, and more accessible to everyone. The truth is, we're witnessing one of the biggest technological revolutions in human history, and it's happening right in front of our eyes, week by week. Now, if you want to stay on top of all these AI developments and learn how to use them effectively in your business, I've got something special for you. I've created a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, where I share all of my best automations for email, content, social media, AI agents, and workflows. Every week, we're updating with the latest systems and templates to help you save hundreds of hours and make more money with AI. We have over 500 members all focused on scaling their businesses with AI plus weekly Q&A calls where you can get your specific questions answered. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. Also, if you're looking to get more traffic to your website from Google, I'm offering a free one-to-one SEO strategy session where I'll show you exactly how we take websites from 0 to over 145,000 visits per month. You'll get a custom-tailored game plan for your specific business. Just click the link in the description to book your free session. And if you're just getting started with AI and SEO, I've got a free AI SEO course and community with over 3,600 members and access to 50 plus free AI SEO tools. The link for that is also in the description. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you let us know what you think about these incredible AI developments in the comments below. Which update are you most excited about, and how do you plan to use these tools in your business? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future updates on the latest AI developments. Trust me, with the pace things are moving, you're going to want to stay informed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.